Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can set break reminder on Instagram. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in device, then tap on profile icon. Next, tap on three lines icon. After that, tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on time spent. After that, you can see the option of break reminder. Tap on it. Then select break reminder of your choice. Here I am selecting every 30 minutes. Then tick on it by tapping on it. Next, tap on turn on. So, this is how you can set break reminder on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.